Mom said, of course, we
Ka.
can, but Santa Claus
Wouldn't.
wouldn't give broken gift to
Ah,
others.
very good. Next. Very good man nila sa Kia.
Inutsik yan ah. Cinder. In the next
Few.
days, Jack and his dad worked
Worked.
together to fix the broken toys. And
Wrapped.
wrapped
Silent W to be.
and wrapped
Ano nga?
them
Beautifully.
then
Them.
beautifully on the day before Christmas Day. To
Took. Long O.
the toys to the charity house.
Very good. Galing mo.
Basta pulos nagkada,
Oo.
para kayo kita, di pa ka na-happy na may pimples.
Oo.
On the
Wait.
way home,
Very good.
Jack asked
His naman.
out his dad, will Santa Claus see
Oh, question mark. See this? Oh, will Santa Claus see this? Oh, as question ko question mark.
When Santa Claus see this,
Oh, mapakiana.
Dad
Replied.
of
Of course.
my good boy.
Oh, you're just
Send-
bakit nag-istorya?
Santa
Huli mo.
Claus
Sige na.
Will-
Area ba? Definitely.
definitely see it
Oh, very good.
tonight.
Tonight.
He will bring you the best gift.
Wow, yes.
Lalaking babae, happy na Christmas, pero anak nagkikinaturog na lang.
Oh, sige. Masa ha?
This story tells
As
us you will
all
also
I
find happiness. Pero,
ano happiness.
ano dapat why?
Ano nga why?
Happiness.
Kay it minus change Y to I.
By
Sincerely nga ni mula sa puso mo.
sincerely, he
Help.
helping others.
What did you tell the children? What did you learn about the story here?
Kalimutan.
What is all about the story?
Wala ko cheat.
Ha, parang intindi, basa mo pala oh. Makakabiling ka po ng happiness by sincerely helping others, not just by receiving, but also